This morning in Legal Logic, with seasonal storms affecting almost every part of the country right now, protecting your property should be on your mind. But what exactly does home insurance cover? Well, attorney Brian Cunit is back with all the info we need to know about home insurance and what mistakes in coverage to avoid. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Brendan.
Welcome back to the show.
Of course. Wonderful.
Lots to talk about.
Always good, yeah.
We want to protect our homes.
Yes.
They are where we live, we raise our families, our kids. We want to protect them. So what are some things we need to keep in mind right up front with regard to this topic?
Right up front, there are probably 5 mistakes that people make routinely. The first mistake is overestimating your coverage.
Right, yes.
People think, oh, I buy the standard homeowner's policy and I'm covered. No. Okay, there's so many exclusions that people just aren't aware of. People think, for example, that I'm covered by a flood or I might be covered by a hurricane. Most standard policies do not cover that sort of thing. So you really have to make sure that you understand what coverage you have.
All right.
Okay?
Number two.
Number 2.
Here we go.
Underestimating coverage.
There you go, the other end of the spectrum.
The other end of it, okay? Which is people think that they're covered for the replacement of their home or for their contents. You may have only purchased the amount of coverage that your mortgage company, that your bank requires you to coverage, because all they care about is making sure their loan is covered. You got to make sure that your house is covered in full. Okay.
All right.
Also, the property in your house, you got to make sure that that's covered. The third thing.
Number 3. I got 5 fingers. Let's use them all.
Okay. Exclusions. You got to make sure you understand the exclusions and your deductible. Okay. Many people think, okay, I'm covered by everything, but they don't realize there are certain exclusions. Dogs. Right. Type of dog you might have, or certain kinds of coverage for personal property. You're only covered for jewelry up to $1,000. You got to make sure that you understand what those exclusions are. The deductible, very, very important. Many people say, oh, I can save some money on premium by increasing my deductible. Rather than, and instead of doing that, what they do is they lower their coverage. Okay. Increase your deductible first. Right. From $1,000 to $2,000, rather than lowering your coverage. So you might cost you another $1,000 in your deductible, but losing $175,000
in the long run.
On the long run.
Right.
So make sure when you look at it, increase the deductible rather than the exclusive. The last thing.
And our final minute here, yes.
Get a professional. Use a broker, use an agent. Don't go online and look at these things online and say, okay, you can buy this homeowner's insurance. Get a professional, get an agent, and go down and sit down with him. Right. Spend a half an hour. Have him summarize your coverage so you know what you've got. That way you're in pretty good shape. You're not going to get caught without any coverage or not enough coverage, and you're out of luck.
We need to protect ourselves. Brian, I didn't even really need to be here. You just kind of took it away. That worked out pretty well. Thank you so much.
Brendan, good seeing you again, as always.
Valuable information indeed. Right. You can find this segment information on roadshow.com. Just click on the Legal Logic page.